Hi everyone, this is Ashwat. आज की वीडियो में बात करने वाले हैं Microsoft Engage प्रोग्राम की. There are a lot of confusions regarding whether this is for pre-final year, whether this is for final year, and if it is for pre-final year or final year, so how to apply for that, what is the procedure, what is there in this particular program. So I've completely researched about Microsoft Engage, and last time also I've interacted with a lot of people through which a lot of people have got selected in Microsoft Engage, and they have also got a pre-placement internship at Microsoft through this particular program. So I'm going to discuss about this program, what it has been in the past, and how it might be in the future. And currently there's an opening for the batch of 2022 for Microsoft Engage for a full-time role as a software engineer. So don't forget to check out that as well. So do watch this video till the end. A lot of information is going to be there regarding Engage program. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to press the like button and share it with your friends. Also subscribe this channel for such amazing updates coming ahead. तो स्टार्ट करते हैं माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एंगेज प्रोग्राम की. द फर्स्ट एवर माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एंगेज वाज कंडक्टेड लास्ट ईयर. मतलब पहले इसको एक माइक्रोसॉफ्ट कोडेस नाम से जाना जाता था. इट वाज पर्टिकुलरली फॉर गर्ल्स. सो दे रिवैम्प्ड द प्रोग्राम एंड दे नेम्ड इट एज माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एंगेज मेंटरशिप प्रोग्राम. तो लास्ट ईयर इट वाज कंडक्टेड. लास्ट ईयर इट वाज देयर पायलट प्रोग्राम, लाइक कंडक्टेड फॉर द वेरी फर्स्ट टाइम फॉर 2023 बैच and 2020. So this year they opened up Microsoft Engage program for the batch of 2023. मतलब सेकेंड ईयर में if you are, तो you can expect कि तुम्हारे लिए ये नेक्स्ट ईयर आएगा close to अप्रैल और मई में. तो इसका प्रोसेस was like कि you will be asked to register on their portal. मतलब तुम्हें अप्लाई करना होगा Microsoft Careers के थ्रू, and there will be one सेपरेट वेब पेज फॉर माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एंगेज. तो उस पे सारी डिटेल्स होंगी रिलेटेड टू माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एंगेज. तो इसमें स्टेप्स क्या क्या थे एंड व्हाट वाज द क्वालिफाइंग क्राइटेरिया. मतलब आफ्टर यू अप्लाइड फॉर माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एंगेज देयर वर सम कॉलेज लिमिटेशंस. आई डोंट नो हाउ दे शॉर्टलिस्टेड, बट ओनली सम पीपल वर शॉर्टलिस्टेड फॉर द फर्स्ट टेस्ट राउंड. लाइक देयर वाज अ काइंड ऑफ resume shortlisting or there was some college shortlisting. This was not disclosed by Microsoft, but you were to give one test after applying. So that test, everybody who gave that test, so that test included MCQs as well as coding questions based upon CS fundamentals, and coding questions were simple. So that test was the basis of getting selected for Microsoft Engage. Once you clear the test, you will be shortlisted for the complete mentorship program. You will be assigned a mentor and you will be aligned with one single project to be covered under a mentor at Microsoft. Once you are into that project, so you'll have to complete that project in a span of 1 to 2 months. Like this year the project was to create a clone of Microsoft Teams app. So you can expect a similar kind of project or something related to any of the other Microsoft products or anything in general. So it was not disclosed, but this year the project was, one of the projects was like Microsoft Teams app का तुम्हें clone बनाना है. तो after this program, like whenever you complete this entire mentorship program, तो your mentor will give a feedback ki how was your performance in this particular program. So there can be 2-3 types of feedbacks. Like if the mentor gives a feedback, that then on that feedback, तो बहुत अच्छा feedback है, तो you will be getting a direct internship at Microsoft without any interviews. मतलब कई बच्चों को डायरेक्ट इंटरव्यूज आए, मतलब डायरेक्ट माइक्रोसॉफ्ट का इंटर्नशिप का मेल आया कि यू हैव बीन सिलेक्टेड विदाउट एनी इंटरव्यू राउंड्स. कई बच्चों के लिए तो मतलब मेंटर्स के रिव्यूज के बाद दे केप्ट 1 or 2 इंटरव्यू राउंड्स. So on the basis of those interview rounds, they selected whether you will be eligible for an internship opportunity at Microsoft or not. So in this way, a lot of people, lot of students got an internship at Microsoft through this amazing program. So if you're currently in the second year, you should start preparing for this program. Like this might come next year also, and it's an amazing opportunity. Don't miss it ever. तो बात करते हैं 2022 के एंगेज प्रोग्राम की. सो लास्ट ईयर इट वाज कंडक्टेड इन द मंथ ऑफ जनवरी. आई गॉट टू नो इट फ्रॉम समबडी हु हैज गॉट इनटू माइक्रोसॉफ्ट थ्रू दिस ओनली. So last year it was conducted in January. This year they have opened up their openings right now, and don't forget to check out the opening in the link, first link there below, and do apply with the referral. Take referral from any Microsoft employee. That is going to make your application a little bit prioritized, you can say, but still it depends upon a lot of other factors, but do apply with the referral. That's my advice. Next, what the entire process is going to be like. Last year for final year people, it was like there was one coding test. Like all those who applied, they sent a coding test. Again, there was a shortlist based upon resume or college that was not disclosed. Some people received that test. Once you clear that test, you will be eligible for their hackathon. So in that hackathon you have to build one particular project in the mentorship of a mentor from Microsoft. Once you build that project, there will be, like, on the basis of your mentor's feedback, you will be given like a chance to give 2 to 3 interviews at Microsoft. So generally 2 technical interviews were held after that project making also, and those technical interviews were normal data structural algorithms based, CS fundamentals, and your normal projects based. So it was a general interview that Microsoft conducted after this Engage program. So you might expect a similar kind of program this year, or they might put some more filters, because the applications, we can presume that this year the applications have been a little bit more because of more awareness in people. तो एप्लीकेशंस ज़्यादा होने के कारण देयर आर चांसेस कि कुछ फिल्टरिंग के और राउंड्स लग जाए. मे बी दे कैन कीप एन एमसीक्यू राउंड, उसके बाद एक कोडिंग टेस्ट हो सकता है, देन हैकाथॉन, एंड देन द फर्दर प्रोसेस. बट इट्स an amazing opportunity. If you haven't already applied, जाके apply कर दो. If you have already applied, तो start preparing for the same. Solve as many questions as possible. Solve previous year Microsoft questions that have come, and make sure that you solve, like, give some tests in a timed condition. Like, generally the tests of Microsoft are conducted on Metal or on Codility platform. Nowadays they're conducting on Codility, so make sure that you're familiar with these platforms and you have given 1 or 2 tests on these platforms prior, so that on the day of test you're not nervous, you're not like, it should not happen that you're not familiar with that particular platform. So that also makes it.
You'll be joining soon, that is Microsoft. So how do you get to know about Microsoft's opening, and what were some of the important parts in its hiring process?
It was a Microsoft Engage program for the female students. That was in January. So we had a coding round. First we had a coding round, and then all the qualified students, we had a hackathon. That was an Engage hackathon. And after the Engage hackathon, we had 2-3 rounds of interviews. So interviews were purely of the DSA. Like 80% is DSA, and 10% is what you write in the resume, your project and your previous internships, and the other 10% is your CSE core subject, like operating system. They asked a lot of questions to me on the operating system, and little bit for the DBMS also. So yeah,
Okay.
but most of the part it is but most of the part is definitely DSA, basic DSA.
Okay. So when did you just participated in this Engage program, and like when were the interviews scheduled? Like after how much time or so? You participated last year,
Everything was
right?
no, this year in January.
Okay, so you participated this year in January, and
Yes.
everything was completed in the
In
month of
February.
January.
In February.
Okay.
Yeah. And March the results were declared. Starting week of March.
I would advise everyone to please go ahead and prepare for it. It's an amazing opportunity for the batch of 2022. You might not see any other opportunity from Microsoft if the students are more and more students are hired from this. So if Microsoft is your dream company, so don't forget to give this opportunity your priority. Thank you so much. All the best. Good luck. Bye bye. See you in some other video.